Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn about the holiday list. Okay, so this would be a very small topic to understand. So let's just go to the HR module, and here we have to click on the leaves, and then we have to open the holiday list. Here you can see a default holiday list is already configured, which is all the Sundays. Okay, so now let's suppose we don't provide holidays on Sunday. So what we have to do is we have to click here and cross this so that the Sunday would be deleted. Okay, but as we want Sunday as our holiday, okay, so like we can change from here also. We can select Mondays and add to holiday list. Okay, and all the Mondays would be added in our default holiday list. Okay, so now let's clear this table. We can clear this table from here. Okay, now I want all the holidays to be the Sundays this year, correct? So I will select Sunday and click on add to holidays. Correct, all Sundays are added for this year. Okay, and the year is also very important. Here I have selected the fiscal year, which is 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024 according to India. But in your country maybe the financial year and the fiscal year both are same thing, so you can also choose this year. Okay, then here we have an option to add the second and fourth Saturday also. Okay, so in some companies you may also notice that they provide the holidays on second and the fourth Saturday of the month. Okay, so we can add this, and we have to select the month from which we want to add the second and the fourth Saturday as a holiday. Okay, so here I will select 1st January 2024 and click on the add second and fourth Saturday, and you see the month of January's second and fourth Saturday are added. Now I also have to select the February. Okay, 1st February, and then I will also click on this add second and fourth Saturday button, and see all the second and fourth Saturday is being added to the holiday list. Now if we want to add any other holidays in the same month also, so we have to click on this add button to add a new table, and here we have to select the date. So let's suppose I am adding a holiday for today, so I will select the 18th of March 2024, and then I will add the description as holiday for, let's suppose, Holi. These holidays are the regional festivals we can add, and then after that we have to click on this button to save. Okay, so that's how we configure our holiday list. We can also see the overview section and connection. So you can see there are 2 employees which are already configured for this holiday list, and 1 shift type which is already assigned on this holiday list. Now we can go back, and here is an option to assign this holiday list. Okay, so if we click on this button, we can here select the employee to assign the holiday list on that particular employee. Okay, I can also assign it from here. So let's suppose I want to assign it for Rajesh Kumar. Okay, so I will select Rajesh Kumar from here and click on the assign button to assign the holiday list. Okay, so that's how we can configure our holiday list in our Accu360 ERP. Okay, so now you have to add all the holidays according to your organization. Now let's just go back to the home page. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you find it very helpful and informative. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes in the Basics of HR module with Accu360 ERP series. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Till then, thanks a lot for watching.